We're going to dive into 5 incredible Python libraries that you may not have heard of before. So, let's get started. First up, we have the PyShorteners library. It allows you to shorten long URLs with just a few lines of code. Next on our list is the Pyth3 library. It's a powerful tool for converting text into speech. Now, let's move on to Pillow, a library for image processing and manipulation. We can add watermarks, resize, or even apply filters to images using Python. Pillow makes it all possible. Up next, we have Transformers, a library known for state-of-the-art natural language processing. Transformers provides pre-trained models that can perform tasks like text classification, language translation, and much more. It's a game changer for NLP enthusiasts. Last but not least, let's explore Datascience, a powerful library for data analysis and visualization. Datascience makes data wrangling and exploration a breeze. You can clean, manipulate, and visualize data with ease using this fantastic library. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. See you in the next video.